ইন্টেলেকচুয়াল ডিসেবিলিটি ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট টপিক ইন দ্য সেন্স তোমরা যারা পরে চাকরি করবে বা কোথাও কিছু করবে যে কোনো জায়গাতেই, বিশেষ করে সরকারি জায়গাতেই, ডিস্ট্রিক্ট লেভেলে যদি কখনো যাও স্পেশালিস্ট হিসেবে, ডিসেবিলিটি বোর্ড সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্ট ডাইরেকশানে আমি এর মধ্যে বলে দেবো আছে, সেটা সেই অনুযায়ী কাজ করতে হবে তোমাদের। ফলো, তাহলে আমাদের স্টার্ট ইন এ সিম্পলার ওয়ে। Previously, intellectual disability term was not there. Instead, we used to have peculiar terms like moron, imbecile, feeble-minded, idiot, all these things. 1950, it was changed to mental retardation. This is a very common term. It was going on for years, decades actually. By 2010, particularly under USA Act, it was changed to 2010, it changed to intellectual disability. And later on, throughout the world, the term is intellectual disability now. Now, DSM-5, intellectual disability, it means intellectual function, deficits in intellectual function, reasoning, problem solving, planning, abstract thinking, judgment, academic learning, and learning from experience. These are the deficits in intellectual function. Two things very important: intellectual function, disability in intellectual function, and disability in adaptive function. These two must be there, and different criteria also there. We'll come to those one by one. Now, out of this, intellectual function, all these headings are there. There's all comprising. Chief headings will come later on, and to be confirmed by clinical assessment, intelligence testing. And regarding adaptive function, this is also very important. Actually, severity of the whole situation depends on the quality of adaptive function. Deficits in adaptive functioning, failure to meet developmental and socio-cultural standards for personal independence and social responsibility. Very verbose terms, but very important. Socio-cultural standards for personal independence and social responsibility. We'll come to those later on. First is, here the headings. Limit functioning in one or more activities of daily life, such as communication, social participation, and limit independent living across multiple environments, such as home, school, work, and community. So these places, the intellectual independent living may be limited. And onset during developmental period. What is that? We're coming to that. Now, there is a new term also. I am speaking about that. Just headings, just I'll touch it. It will not discuss today. Global developmental delay, GDD/ID. GDD is a significant delay, more than 2 standard deviation in achieving milestones in at least 2 fields of early childhood development, not older: gross motor, fine motor, speech and language, cognition, personal, social, and activities of daily living. These are the domains, at least 2 fields. Number 2, ID is not merely low IQ. Many persons, though we assess by doing IQ assessment, standardize it, but is not only low IQ. It is a serious problem with intellectual functioning. So what are intellectual functioning? We have already mentioned some of them, mainly 4: learning, memory, reasoning, and problem solving. These 4 very important pillars of intellectual functioning. And ID significantly hampers adaptive functioning. And this ID, once again, is almost like vicious cycle. The ID significantly hampers adaptive functioning. The term GDD is used for children younger than 5 years, and ID for older children. Formal psychological testing, IQ testing actually, IQ assessment is possible. GDD is often, but not always, this is very important, not always a precursor of ID. Why? You need not know at this level. Later on you will understand. Just keep it in mind. GDD is not always a precursor of ID. Now, definition. So what is intellectual disability? So, defined as significantly sub-average general intellectual functioning. Sub-average. It should not be super intelligent, super brilliant one, and even not that somebody is intellectual disabled, not that. Significantly sub-average general intellectual functioning associated with significant deficit or impairment in adaptive functioning, which manifests during the developmental period, that is before 18 years of age. Now, hopefully you all know that now pediatric range is up to 18 years internationally. Even the person comes with mustache and beard, even if he is a child, considered child up to 18 years of age. So, before 18 years of age, the American Association of Mental Retardation, they are now defined like that. Worldwide, this is a definition. So this is the worldwide definition, and keep in mind. Feature, what are the features? Significant limitation. Once again I am repeating, you might be that is repeating, but it will be very helpful for remembering. Significant limitations in intellectual functioning, reasoning, learning, problem solving, memory as well. Limitations in adaptive behavior, conceptual, social and practical. Three things are important. We will come to later on. Conceptual, social and practical. And onset during the developmental period before 18 years. Next, significant sub-average. Then what is sub-average? Significant sub-average. Defined as an intelligence quotient of 70 or below on standard measures of intelligence. There are different scales, need not know, and you are not required to know, but you remember this thing, the 70 or below on standardized measures of intelligence. The upper limit is intended as a guideline and could be extended to 75 or more. Actually 70, 75 is a twilight zone. Anyway, 70 has been standardized. 75 or more, and depending on the reliability of the intelligence test, you need a the law of the land is in India as well as in many other countries almost throughout the world, 70 has been standardized. So below 70, that is, it is expected the 100 is the median and 2 SD below, that is 15, 15, 30. So 2 SD below, that means 100, 2 SD below means 70. So it has been standardized in 70 in that way, 2 SD below, 2 standard deviation. 100 is supposed to be the median of intelligence quotient. So 2 standard deviation, so it is 70 and developmental period defined as period of time between conception and 18th birthday. So this is the developmental period, conception to 18th birthday, very big span. Anyway, now adaptive behavior. Now we have already I have told the 3 pillars: conceptual skills, social skills, practical skills. So what is conceptual skills? Language, reading, writing. Time, number, time means temporal, what is the time you are asking the person, day or night, as in taking history in the child. Language, reading, writing, time, number, concepts, and self-direction. Okay, now social skills, interpersonal skills, personal and social responsibility, self-esteem, gullibility, naivete, and ability to follow rules, obey laws and avoid victimization is a very big thing. So social skills are very important. Any deviation from this is supposed to be deviation of adaptive behavior, and once again if significantly below is supposed to child has got sub-average intelligence. Its adaptive function is also very important. So interpersonal skills, personal social responsibility, self-esteem, gullibility, naivete and ability to follow rules, obey laws and avoid victimization. Practical skills. Performance of activities of daily living, dressing, feeding, toileting, bathing, mobility. Instrumental activities of daily life, housework, managing money, taking medication, shopping, preparing bills, using phone and mail systems. And conceptual skills and maintenance of safe environment. So these are very important. Managing money, somebody may ask you, sir, Einstein could not count the coin in taking the from conductor. He could not how much conductor, whatever conductor would have given. He said, sir, I can't, just give me. So you might say the Einstein could not even count coins properly all the time. It is not that. It is just a gossip or just a story. He was always remained so unmindful. So in other ways, that is the thing. Not that some adaptive problem was there with Einstein. So many gossips are there in books and others. So that is a different way. But is counting and managing money. Don't have any disability here, I think, anybody of you, but this managing money is also very important. You have to count the coins. They are giving 10 rupees, taking 5 rupees, child cannot say how much is winning. At a significant delay in at least one of the 3 skill areas, but one of the areas, 3 areas must be present. Adaptive behavior is impaired in virtually all children who have IQ scores less than 50. Remember this thing, this is a moderately severe intellectual disability must be problem with adaptive behavior. So IQ scores below 50. The major utility of the adaptive behavior criterion is to confirm ID in children with IQ scores of the 60-75 range. That I have told you already, 60-75 range. If you see some IQ just below 70, but you are not very sure, should be stamped with as intellectual disability. In that case, if adaptive behavior is problematic, he says skills are deficient, then you can certainly confirm this range of child that is got intellectual disability and stamp that. Now only IQ low is not always intellectual disability. Later on it is found that sometimes a low IQ is not. That is why I will show you later on how government certification is done. That we will come to that in one line, I will tell you later. So that is that. Now challenging behaviors. What are challenging behaviors? Any abnormal pattern of behavior which is above the expected norm for age and level of development. Socio-culturally deviant behavior. Socio-culturally deviant behavior. Behavior of such an intensity, frequency or duration that the physical safety of the person or others is likely to be placed in serious jeopardy. হাতে একটা মদের বোতল নিয়ে একটা ছেলে তুলতে তুলতে যাচ্ছে 14-15 বছর, কদিন আগে ঘটনা, নিউ টাউনে উল্টো দিক দিয়ে লোকজন যাচ্ছে, ছুঁড়ে মারলো বোতল, সে ভেঙে পড়লো, 4টে লোক ইনজিওর্ড হয়ে গেল। এই যে ব্যাপারটা, একটা উদাহরণ দিচ্ছি আমি, এটা সাংঘাতিক একটা উদাহরণ, ঘটনা ঘটেছে কদিন আগে বলে মনে পড়লো হঠাৎ করে। এই যে সেফটি, ফিজিক্যাল সেফটি অফ দ্য পার্সন আদার্স, নিজের সেফটি নিয়েও কনসার্ন না, আন্ডার ইনএব্রিয়েশন, অন্যের সেফটি নিয়েও কনসার্ন না, এই যে এটাও একটা সাইন অফ চ্যালেঞ্জিং বিহেভিয়ার। সব এগুলো হচ্ছে ডেভিয়ান্ট বিহেভিয়ার্স। এই ডেভিয়ান্ট বিহেভিয়ার্স কিন্তু পার্ট অফ adaptive abnormality and adaptive functioning. Then behavior which is likely to seriously limit or deny access to and use of ordinary community facilities. Abnormality আর এগুলোর মধ্যে অনেক এই বড় বড় স্প্যানের মানে অনেক, কিন্তু খালি মাথায় রাখো এই জিনিসটা এর কি মানে হয় আস্তে আস্তে বুঝতে পারবে। Can include self injury, physical or verbal aggression, non compliance, very simply written, disruption of the environment, inappropriate vocalizations, এই গাল মন্দ যাও করে যাচ্ছে, লোকের সঙ্গে দেখা হলে উল্টো পাল্টা বলে যাচ্ছে। May impede learning, restrict access to normal activities and social opportunities, and require a considerable amount of both manpower and financial resources to manage effectively. So, these 5 are areas of challenging behaviors. These are all deviant behaviors, not acceptable normally, socially, in the environment of well-being of persons. Epidemiology, about 5% of the population globally, ID persons. In India, 10 to 15 out of 1,000. That is 1.1 to 1.5, roughly 1.5 this percentage. ID is more common in boys than girls. Remember this thing. Which with severe profound ID, mortality is high due to associated physical disease. This is a very big thing. Later on, you will understand. There's profound ID, severe and profound ID, not borderline. Those they do not care about self. They do not have self-respect, don't care about the safety of themselves. So there's mortality, certainly physical disease and mortality is very high. Now developmental red flags. What are the things that will, if you find early, then you will be concerned that there might be something amiss, there's something problematic in the child. So infancy 0 to 2 years, so in that delayed motor milestones, actually what I tell you, you can remember in case of your cerebral palsy or perhaps in other class of autism spectrum disorder, you have heard some of the things. Actually there are many overlapping things, like somebody, there are 20% intellectual disability in case of autistic children, almost 50% in case of cerebral, I told you earlier, cerebral palsy. So you will find these symptoms are also there, the signs are also there, but not that the one sign is finally for this disease. So there might be intellectual disability with autism or spectrum disease or with some cerebral palsy. So these things you can find also there. So delayed motor, it might be confusing to you, so I am clarify the points. So delayed motor milestones, sitting, crawling, walking, poor eye contact, no social smile by 6 months, limited babbling of speech, limited interest in surroundings, even very early surroundings. In small baby, you can follow mother or can some moving object, not that, not interested. Is a harbinger of many diseases, but this is very important here also. So limited babbling is limited interest in surroundings, and delay in sitting, standing, walking. So they are the infancy 0 to 2 years. Then early childhood 3 to 5 years. Slow language acquisition. Hey, can you see these writings from there? Huh? Okay. Early childhood 3 to 5 years. So slow language acquisition, speech delay, limited vocabulary. 5 years old child only saying ভাত খাবো, খিদে পেয়েছে, ব্যাস, এর বাইরে কথাবার্তা বলছে কথা, কিন্তু that is not at the level years of 5 years or so, should have been in earlier years. So that is why slow language acquisition, this is very important. Slow language, as speech delay, limited vocabulary. Actually mothers come with this complaint, one must be very cautious. Difficulty in following instructions, problem with toilet training, self-care, And limited play skills, does not engage in pretend play. ওই যে কি বলে সেই লুকোচুরি বা নানা রকম ওই নানা রকম খেলা আছে যে আমাদের এখানে দেশজ খেলা যেগুলো আছে লুকিয়ে থাকা, লিমিটেড প্লে স্কিলস, ডাজ নট এনগেজ ইন প্রিটেন্ড প্লে. School age 6+, then what will be there? Academic underachievement, problems with memory, problem solving, etc. are discussed. Social immaturity and dependence on others for daily tasks. স্কুলে একটা রুটিন খাতা লাইন টানছে, পাশের জনকে দেখে বলে তুই আমার ছকটা করে দে না, এটা পাচ্ছি না আমি ঠিক, খুব লিমিটেড সামান্য ব্যাপার. তো ওইখানে যদি কনসার্ন মাস্টারমশাই থাকে স্কুলে, কনসার্ন টিচার উইল নট মিস দ্য থিং. Different slight deviation here, but that different marks the many different levels of IQ, different levels of intelligence there. So this is dependence on others for daily tasks. Now classification of ID, this is important. Now level mild, what is the mild level of standing? 55 to 70. Now this category of patients, educable, may live independently with community and social support. Not much deviation, you can depending on the level, up to 55 lower down. So educable, all these things. Moderate 40 to 54, this is very large, this is also group. Trainable, work and not educable but trainable, work and self-care task. Acquires communication skills, can talk, can communicate to some extent. May live and function successfully within the community, not otherwise. You can send the child abroad or here and there or some other states, in their own community, in that you can manage and stay in a smaller way. CVR 25 to 39, they may master very basic self-care skills. অনেক বললে হয়তো কোনো রকম ভাবে যে আমার বোতামটা আটকালো এরকম. They may master very basic self-care skill and some communication skills. একটু আধটু কথা বললো, বাকিটা চুপ করে থাকে. বাবা বললো বা ছেলে বেশি কথা বলে না, আমার ছেলে আর কথা বলবে কি, কথা বলার মতো অবস্থা হচ্ছে কথা. They may master basic self-care skills and some communication skills. Profound below 25, may develop basic self-care skill, hardly কিছু self-care skills থাকে. আর need high supervision is always a dependent life, unfortunate, but there are many such things you can see here and there. Now this is another the same classification, more or less little bit another category is taken, 50 to 69 with all these things. Some other things are given. Ability to work, ability for self-care, independent, needs self-help, limited. Language reasonable, limited, basic or none. This you can remember, this is also very simple. Reading and writing, reasonable, basic, minimal or none. Ability to work, semi-skilled, unskilled, supervised basic task. Social skill, normal, moderate, few. And you can ask me, why such classification given? Because this is for rehabilitation and different government schemes are there. So just say je বসে খাতা লিখতে পারে না, ক্যালকুলেট করতে পারে না, কিন্তু চুবড়ি বানাতে পারে, গভর্নমেন্ট তাকে চুবড়ি বানানো কাজটা দেবে, তাকে শিখিয়ে দিলে সে বসে বসে বেতের চুবড়ি বানাতে পারবে. সেই যে সমস্ত সেলফ হেল্প গ্রুপ হ্যান ত্যান দেখো না তোমরা, এদিকে ক্লাসিফিকেশন করে তার মধ্যে প্রচুর এরকম আইডি বাচ্চা বা আইডি মেয়ে কাজ করছে, তাদের কিন্তু ওই ক্যাটাগরাইজ করা হয়, সোশ্যাল আছে, বোর্ড আছে, নানা রকম আছে, ডিস্ট্রিক্ট লেভেলে করে সেই অনুযায়ী সার্টিফিকেশন হয়ে তাদের কাজ দেওয়া হয়. তাদের তো রিহ্যাবিলিটেট করতে হবে, সোসাইটিতে বোঝা হয় এক জায়গায় বসে গোলমাল করবে নানা রকম, তাদের কাজ দিতে গেলে এই ক্যাটাগরিটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট খুব, কি কাজ দিতে পারবে, কতটা রাখতে পারবে, এই সমস্ত ক্যাটাগরির উপর নির্ভর করছে. আচ্ছা, সিভিয়ারিটি ক্রাইটেরিয়া নিয়েও একটু কথা আছে, এত পড়তে হবে না তোমাদের, তো বাড়িতে সময় করে পড়বে, আমি ডিটেলসটা দিয়েছি, যতটা আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড করবে. এই সিভিয়ারিটির মধ্যে মাইল্ড যারা, এই কনসেপচুয়াল ডোমেন, সোশ্যাল ডোমেন অ্যান্ড প্র্যাকটিক্যাল ডোমেন, একটু আগে বলেছি অ্যাডাপটিভ বিহেভিয়ারের কথা হচ্ছে. এই প্রি স্কুল চিলড্রেনের ক্ষেত্রে কি নো অবভিয়াস কনসেপচুয়াল ডিফারেন্স, ইম্পেয়ার্ড সোশ্যাল ইন্টারাকশন, মে ফাংশন এজ অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েটলি ইন পার্সোনাল কেয়ার বাট নিড সাম সাপোর্ট, ইজ just discussed, given in elaborately, and also in adults, abstract thinking, these are limited. Executive function, what is executive function? There is a very good film, Executive Decision. Anyway, executive function is whatever you are thinking to be translated in work. You are thinking that I will draw a picture of parrot, but you are drawing ultimately a picture of something else. So that is not executive functioning. Thinking about drawing a parrot and drawing something else. So there is problem with executive functioning. So this is executive function. Short-term memory, functional use of adaptive. This is in adults. Ultimately, the child growing into adult, this problem will develop there. These things will be with him or her. Now, these are the behavior age appropriate fashion. You all these things can read very jolly well, and if you can, you need not understand much. Difficulty is not there. Now, moderate. Believe once again, individuals' conceptual skills lag markedly behind those of peers or conceptual domain. Moderate. And marked difference, marked difference of peers in social communication, that things are gradually increasing, deteriorating rather. An extended period of teaching and time is needed for the individual to become independent of this. In many schools, there are extra period of class. After 5 p.m. or 6 p.m., teachers are taking the extra classes of the students, not for all. Those are not following the tasks or in many areas in Ramakrishna Mission and others. There are many classes we have seen. They are taking all this, identifying them early enough. Not moderate even, they are mild, even they are milder one taken up, but this is moderate one, they cannot follow the things properly. What is going on, teaching and time needed, they need longer time to understand. Severe, little understanding of written language or concepts. No understanding almost of written language or concepts. Spoken language is quite limited in vocabulary and grammar. বললো তুমি ভাত খাবে আমরা বলি, তাকে বললো তুমি ভাত খাবো, কিন্তু তুমি ভাত অব্দি বলে চুপ করে গেল। অনেকটা like this spoken language is quite limited in vocabulary and grammar. There is no coordination in vocabulary and grammar. Requires support for all activities of daily living, and these caretakers provide extensive supports on all these things. So remember, this difference of the magnitude is gradually increasing, that is the thing. Okay. And profound, that is below 25. Motor or sensory impairments may prevent functional use of objects. Motor or sensory impairments. তা গায়ে চিমটি কাটলে বাচ্চা বুঝতেই পারে, রিয়াক্ট করে না, কেউ হি হি করে হাসে। আমি একটা বাচ্চা কিছুদিন আগে দেখেছিলাম, তাকে চিমটি কাটলে হাসে, মা বলছে ব্যাপারটা কি, সে প্রফাউন্ড, তার ডিসেবিলিটি সাংঘাতিক, যতই তাকে চিমটি কাটুক সে হাসি হি হি করে। হ্যাঁ, তা সেই ব্যাপারটা আর কি। সো মোটর অ্যান্ড সেন্সরি ইম্পেয়ারমেন্টস মে প্রিভেন্ট ফাংশনাল ইউজ অফ অবজেক্টস। খেলা কিচ্ছু সে নেয় না, কোনো খেলনা টেলা দেয় না, ছুঁড়ে ফেলে দেয়, নেয় না, ওদিকে দেখে না। Expresses his or her own desires and emotional largely through non-verbal, non-symbolic communication. Non-verbal, non-symbolic. And depend on others for practical domain, the others for all aspects of daily physical, even for toilet training, even toilet cleaning, perineal care, all these things. They don't have any self-dependent activity. Now, common percentage, what is the percentage now of intellectual disability by age? Acha. Newborn, how can you have an idea the child might be something else and somebody problematic? So these newborn dysmorphic syndromes, multiple congenital anomaly, microcephaly, this is very important. Major organ system, once again you understand, microcephaly has got certain criteria, at least 2 standard deviation. If it is below a 3 SD, below the standard measurement, to kothai nei. Below 2 SD matter of concern, and ideal microcephaly is below 3 standard deviation. So that is very dangerous. And is microcephaly with by definition, microcephaly cannot stay with normal intelligence. All microcephaly children are more or less below par. It has been found 3 SD below the measurement, microcephaly. Major organ system dysfunction, feeding, breathing, all this. Early infancy, 2 to 4 months. Failure to interact with the environment, that I have discussed. Concerns about vision and hearing, মা ডাকলে সাড়া দেয় না, তারপর মার গলার শব্দ ফলো করে না, মা ঘুরে বেড়াচ্ছে ঘরের মধ্যে, কাজ করছে, ছোট বাচ্চা আফটার 8 weeks, তারপর অ্যারাউন্ড 8 weeks তা ফলো করে মাকে, সেসব করে না, এই সমস্ত। হ্যাঁ, লেটার ইনফ্যান্সি 6 to 18 months, গ্রস মোটর ডিলে that you have to identify examination. Toddlers 2 to 3 years, language delays or difficulties. This is very, mothers come usually, বাচ্চা ভালো করে কথা বলে না, 2-4টে কথা বলে না, খুব common, very common. When anybody practicing in future, of you in pediatrics, if you practice in pediatrics, very common complaint. Language delays and difficulties. Preschool 3 to 5 years, language difficulties or delays, behavior difficulties, including play delays. In fine motor, including play, delays in fine motor skills, cutting, coloring, drawing, all these things are very much problematic area of concern. And school age, beyond 5 years, actually beyond 6 years, not beyond 5 years, say academic underachievement, behavior difficulties, attention, anxiety, mood, conduct. So all these things.